Hey guys, I'm your Props, and today I'm going to show you how I made a Sith Wayfinder from the Star Wars The Last Jedi film. The first thing I did was took an image that I found of the Stargate pattern and then inserted that into a Lithoplane maker. This turns all dark lines into an indentation into the white surface of something, so if all you have is the outline of something, then it just creates a straight indentation into it like this. And so once I had this out, I went through and cut that up into the two triangles, which I then copied and pasted and then printed out on my Ender 3 Pro in some glow-in-the-dark ABS plastic. And then I went through and made the structure that holds the planes together, and I just did that using some masking tape and hot glue, and then cut out some triangular pieces that were about half an inch longer than the triangles that I had printed out. I then went through and made the base separately with a small hole in it so that I could then fit through the planes and glue those in. After covering the whole thing in some more packing tape, I went through and plastered the whole thing and then lightly sanded it just to give it a really rough, stony look. And then I went through and painted it a dark gray color. I did a little bit of a dry brushing with a lighter gray after this just to give it a better stone texture. And then I glued in the planes, which I glued on a green piece of soda plastic onto, and then I glued in an old LED which I hooked up to a USB cord so that it shined pretty bright when it was inside it, and this really helped the glow-in-the-dark filament glow, especially after sitting on for a couple of hours. I really like how this turned out. The lithoplane definitely worked out pretty good. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out because I've never made a lithoplane before, kind of skipped that part of 3D printing, but it really shines really nice at night, which I guess is the point of a lithoplane, but it did turn out pretty good. I really like how the stony texture came through. It maybe could be sanded away in some places, but so what. If you guys don't mind checking out my Etsy shop, I got a lot of props in there that I've made, as well as a ton of 3D printed lightsabers and props from Star Wars and everything. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind liking and subscribing, please do. See ya.